In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send photos in an email on your iPhone. So here I am in the Mail app. Now this is the standard Mail app on iPhone or Apple products. You can go ahead and use Gmail if you want, but we are using the default Mail app in this video. So once you've got it open, you want to click on the button in the bottom right hand corner. It's going to be the Create Email button, and it will then prompt you to enter in a new message. So you can go ahead and then enter in a recipient. Then once you've done that, enter in a subject, test, email, and then we can go ahead and remove this sent from my iPhone. And then when you go ahead and click on the actual message box to type out a message, you'll see an arrow here on the right next to the keyboard. If you click on that, it will then show this paperclip icon. You can click on the paperclip. You can then go and click Photo Library, then choose a photo or more than one photo, and it's essentially going to add it to your email. Then you can just go ahead and send this in the top right hand corner. It's then going to ask you how do you want to send it. I'm just going to send it as a medium image, and there you go, your message has now been sent, and it would have been sent with the image. Here in the outbox, if we click on it, you can see here is the sent email, and that is all you have to do.